guys, good morning. So today I'm going to show you how I do my little no makeup look when I'm in a hurry or it's just a easy day. And I really wanted to try out not just the Radiant Defense all over your face, but to conceal and contour with it as well. And I'm just going to use one of the samples I have since I don't have all the shades. They come like this, and that way you can try each shade out and it's just easier that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little guy out, and usually I'm the color Shell, but I did self tan today, so I did that on purpose because I really wanted to be able to conceal, and obviously I can't conceal if I am the lightest shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the color Beige. So let me just take this out. It's nice, you could just remove it easily. And what you know what? Let's not get carried away here. Get started. I have not put my lotion on, and I use the reverse lightening. So I haven't done my step 4 yet. And today I'm not going to be using the active hydration serum. So I just apply this. And this will give you a dewy look anyways, so I really like it. It's a sunscreen, but it's not like your everyday sunscreen. I love the look it gives. Even like on its own, it's just pretty. So, okay, now that I applied that, I'm going to take my Radiant Defense brush. I'm a mirror here, by the way. And now I'm going to take Beige. Okay, so I'm just going to dip my brush in here since this is going to be my all over color. And then first, you know, like I'll sweep it on, but then towards the end I like to just dab it because then it'll get rid of any brush marks. Okay. Yeah, I think this is gonna be my like everyday shade. I'm almost done with my bottle of Shell, so I'm gonna order the Beige next time. I just love that it's not like a foundation, that it's skincare. There's nothing better than that. So like a sample's worth is gonna cover your whole face. Just so you guys know. Okay, see, it's almost like, I don't want to say just like a tinted moisturizer because it's definitely thicker, but I do love it because it's not heavy looking, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to take Shell and I'm going to put this under my eye. And I'm just going to use my finger for this. And then you can also, you know, highlight a little bit if you want. Now you don't have to do this. You can go in and use your everyday concealer, but I'm just gonna show you how you can do that. Okay, so now that I concealed, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Almond. So it looks kind of dark, but let me give it a try. I been wanting to do this for so long. Like the day I heard about it, which was like before the actual Radiant Defense came out. Okay. So, here we go. Now I'm going to dab this on with my finger. So basically where you're gonna contour. So, right here. Temples. Maybe a little bit on the jawline. And I'm just gonna do it on the sides of my nose, just for the heck of it. And I'm just gonna blend it out. Oh, that's pretty. Like it blends really, really good. So it's not as scary as it looks when you first put it on. And plus we're gonna set it. How exciting. So if I mail you guys a sample and you want to try this, you definitely can. Okay, and I'm just going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm going to take the puff. I'm just going to set everything. It sets really, really pretty. Oh my goodness. This is going to be my new favorite thing, I think. I think I'm going to have to order the beige and the almond like tonight. I need a little bit more powder. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish up with some highlight right here. Now you can set that Radiant Defense with any powder, but I do like just to do the translucent, or we have a mineral powder too, but that I really like to use like by itself, like really quick on the go makeup, and I'm actually almost out. So when I get more, I'll do a look on that as well. I mean, look how pretty that is. It's just so like natural. So now I'm just gonna use the NYX eyebrow pencil in taupe. And I'm not gonna fill them in with the powder today. Just gonna make it quick to brush them out. My mascara, I was debating on if I wanted to put a little bit of shadow like right here, but I don't think I'm going to today. So let me, where did I put my, oh, here's my curler. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes really quick. And I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, my favorite. And I'm just gonna do probably one coat, since this is more of a natural look today. Usually when I do this look, I don't put mascara on the bottom lashes, but what the heck, I'll put a little bit today. Just like that. And then for my lips, I try to keep them natural looking. So I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. And I'm not going to overline like I normally do. I'm just gonna follow my normal lip line. And then I take our lip renewing serum. It comes in a little cute capsule. And then I just pinch the end off. You can probably get like 2 uses out of one of these little guys. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my finger. And it feels so good. And it conditions, and my gosh, it's like, smells so good and just gives you like a really natural look. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple, like no makeup look. I know I did it a little bit different today because I've been wanting to try that technique. But like I mentioned, normally I just use my normal shade of Radiant Defense all over, contour bronze with powder, and conceal with my NARS concealer. But I really like this. It's just really natural looking. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any questions of any of the products, you can always message me. If you do want a sample of the Radiant Defense, I did order more, so I have some more I can send out. But knowing that it's not a foundation, that it's actually skincare is like the best thing in the world, and you're doing your skin good while you have it on, and it looks great. It's not cakey looking, and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.